Hi guys, a very good morning to all of you. And today again I'm back to teach you online classes. So today I'm going to teach you Standard 1, My 5 Senses in English course. So this chapter has written by Aliki Brandenburg. Now before starting the chapter, I will go through the writer. I will tell you few lines about the writer, so that you can you know more some you can know about herself. But before starting the chapter and explaining everything, I just request all of you to please stay at home and don't go outside, and please enjoy your quality time with your family members, and you can play Ludo, PUBG, Carom, and all the indoor games are there, which are there now. And I might guess that you guys had completed your healthy and delicious breakfast. So eat healthy and stay happy at home. Now, I think that you all guys are receiving the homework that whatever I'm writing, and then I'm giving on the online classes. So all the homework you all are receiving on the Hartford International, on the website of Hartford International School. So whatever the homework you are receiving, please you just complete that, all the question answered in your fair copy, and it should be in good handwriting. I think very shortly the school will open and reopen, and then we will see on in school only. But I'm just giving you the I'm just telling you the just that, so that you can complete it in your in on the time. So whenever the school will open, you will not got any problem, you will not get any problem, and you will show me the homework all thing, because I have all the details and I want all the homework date wise. So whatever the question answer, word meaning, objective type, so whatever I am giving in online classes, so I want all that homework when the school will open. And please do it in your good handwriting. Use the dark pencil and legible handwriting, so that you will not be in trouble when I'm going go through the copies because of the writing. So I hope that you are understood that what I'm saying, that because it's not the profit for me, it's for you only, so that you can get the good knowledge on online classes. Like we can't go to the school to teach, so that's why the we are teaching, like teacher are teaching on the online classes, so all the students will get all the study. Please just you can complete your work, and whatever the homework we are giving, you just complete down in your fair copy. And I think that you guys have made the 3 copies in English. This I am repeating every time because this is very important. That's why I'm saying this in every classes, online classes, like you have to complete, you have to make 3 copies in for English literature course and grammar. So this chapter, whatever today I am going to teach you, this chapter is related from the English course. So whatever the work I will give after the completion of the completed of this chapter, so that you should write down it in your fair copy, but it should be in good handwriting. And then how you have to write, like date, because date is very important. Whenever you will start any new chapter, please put the date, and then after chapter and chapter name. So after that, whatever the work I am giving you, like word meaning, objective types, so these all you can write down it in your fair copy. Now let's start the chapter, because I think that whatever I am saying, you guys had understood, so that you will not be in problem whenever the school will open. So please, it's a request, and it's for your future, so that it's for secure that you can just complete your all the work. And yeah, only that much. And so let's start the chapter. So I told, like I will tell you the few lines about the author, like author who has written this chapter, Aliki Brandenburg. So let's start. So you can just you just listen the carefully. Like she is an American author and illustrator for children's books. She has also written books on Greek history and had been simplified biographies of many famous personalities. Like she has written lots of books on the Greek history, who are the history, the past of the history, past of our life, like Greek, the past of the Greek. And in fact, she has written many biographics of the famous personalities, like in India we have the famous personalities, many different famous personalities are there, like in future like Mahatma Gandhi, then Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. So lots of are there in our for future personalities. Okay, sorry, for the famous personalities. Then she evokes a child's curiosity by delving into stimulating topics such as dinosaurs, mammoths, Shakespeare's fossils, industries, and growing up. Her comic book style narration and well-researched topic attract many young readers to her books. So this is whatever like this lines I have told about herself, who has written this poem. Name is Aliki Brandenburg. So let's go through the chapter. Now this is the chapter related from the five sense. I think you can I think you know that what is our five sense. So like it is it is very difficult to imagine life without the five sense. Now can you imagine that whose don't have eyes, ears, then tongue, they can't speak, so they have lots of problem in their life. In fact, because they need anyone support in on every time. But those have all the five sense, they are like they don't need any supports, and they can enjoy their life. They can enjoy their life on their own ways. Now we have a five sense, like we sight, smell, sound, touch, and taste. How many are there? Five. Like sight, then smell, touch, sound, and taste. So these are the five senses that we can know more about. We are just see the world around us. Now each of them is very important in our daily life. These all five senses is very important in daily life. In fact, these all are doing some work in our daily life. It is help us in our daily life. So let us learn more about our senses. That maybe we will see more senses in the next video. So please watch the next videos for the more information, because this is very interesting poem. It's like a knowledge chapter, so that it will help you in future also. So please watch the next videos and enjoy your day. Thank you and have a nice day.